Welcome back to our new video. Today we will know about what is botany and its branches. What is botany? Botany is the scientific study of plants. It encompasses the study of plant structure, growth, reproduction, metabolism, and evolution. Botanists investigate how plants interact with their environment, including other organisms and physical factors such as soil, water, and light. Botany is an interdisciplinary field that draws on knowledge from biology, chemistry, physics, geology, and other sciences. Botany has many practical applications, such as in agriculture, horticulture, medicine, and environmental conservation. Plant scientists use tools and techniques such as microscopy, genetics, and molecular biology to study plants at the cellular and molecular level. Botanists also study the classification and diversity of plant species, including their evolutionary history and relationships. Plant ecology is a subfield of botany that focuses on the relationships between plants and their environment, including the roles of plants in ecosystems and the impacts of human activities on plant populations. Overall, botany is a fascinating and important field of study that helps us understand and appreciate the complexity and diversity of plant life. What are the branches of botany? Anatomy, the study of the internal structure of plants, including their tissues and organs. Physiology, the study of plant function, including processes such as photosynthesis, respiration, and growth. Taxonomy, the classification and naming of plants, based on their characteristics and evolutionary relationships. Ecology, the study of the relationships between plants and their environment, including their interactions with other organisms and physical factors such as climate and soil. Genetics, the study of the inheritance and variation of traits in plants, including the mechanisms of heredity and the manipulation of plant genomes. Molecular biology, the study of the molecular basis of plant structure, function, and evolution, including the use of techniques such as DNA sequencing and genetic engineering. Paleobotany, the study of the fossil record of plants, including their evolution and past environments. Ethnobotany, the study of the relationship between plants and human cultures, including the use of plants for food, medicine, and other purposes. Horticulture, the cultivation and management of plants for human use, including food crops, ornamental plants, and medicinal herbs. These are just some examples of the many branches of botany, which collectively provide a comprehensive understanding of plant life and its importance to our world. If you like our video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.